In this video, I will show you how to set shipping on Shopify. Let's get started. So in order to do that, what we can do is we can head over in here on our settings, and then from in that, you should be able to see this shipping and delivery. So once you have clicked on it, you should be able to see in here the shipping and delivery that you offer. So for example, at default, you have general shipping rates right here. You can also use a custom shipping rate according to what you want. For example, let's create a new profile right here. And then let's name this fragile products. It is actually named like this on default. So in here, add a product for that. And in here, let's add this shoe right here, as well as this dress. Now click on done. And as you can see, they have been added. Now you can add in here some shipping zones, for example. So let's click on the screen zone right here. And you can add in here some countries that you want supported. So for example, add Philippines and Norway. Now click on done, and you can also first name this right here. As you can see, I have named this. So as you can see, there's no rate yet. So click on this add rate, and you can use a flat rate or you can use a courier app to calculate rates. You can use USPS, or on the Philippines, you can actually use Ninjavan or JND. So you can also use a flat rate that you want. So for example, let's name this fragile products. And then in here, let's put in here an actual price. Let's put in here 150. Now click on done. And then as you can see, this has been added. Now you can also start shipping to more places by heading over to your markets, but that's for another video. So head over and save for that. And then as it's been saved, you should be able to just name this profile name. So let's also name this fragile products as well. So if you're actually having some troubles, you just need to just command or just follow the objectives or the commands that they actually gave you. So save that and you should be good to go. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.